Okay, I'm going to make a meat lover's frittata. And yes, my wife made me clean the stove before I showed it on camera. So here it is. It's clean, it's shiny, nothing to be embarrassed about. It's immaculate. All right. So, that's a couple leftover hamburger patties. I'm going to use one. I'm going to use about this much, about this much sausage cut into cubes. And a few slices of ham cut up small. Some cheese, but I'm not, you'll see what I do with the cheese later. So let me get this all cut up and sized right. And get that, I'm gonna put it in the skillet and warm it all up, grill it a little bit, brown it a little bit. And I'll show you what the next step is. Okay, I just put it on. A little butter in there to get the oil start dripping onto the ham and the sausage and everything, but until then I want that butter to keep everything from burning. All right, I got my cheese ready. I got the broiler on low. And now I'm fixing to mix up 8 eggs. 8 because these are very small eggs. And that's a lot of meat. So let me get to busting these eggs up. All right, got the eggs mixed up. Now we give this a couple minutes of heating up and we'll dump that egg in there. All right. And stir that around a little bit. Get an egg on everything. Fully immersed in egg. See, I still didn't quite use enough eggs. And I used 8. His chickens are really new layers, so they're going to be small until they... Actually, they may not even lay large eggs. But, here's some good news. Mary, our chicken, laid an egg last night.
Yeah.
So
early this morning.
So I'm going to cook this about 3/4 of the way done. And then I'm going to stick it in the broiler for about 2 minutes. Finish the top, and then I'm going to put cheese on the top and give it another minute or 2. So we'll be right back. Okay, here we go, into the oven. About 2 minutes in the oven. Be right back. All right. Oh yeah, that's cooked. Now, let me put that cheese on there. I don't know how much I'm going to use, but I'm going to put as much on as it'll hold because I love Swiss cheese. That'll do it. Another, I don't know, I'll keep an eye on it. I just want it to kind of bubble up, maybe brown just a little bit. All right, 2 more minutes or so. Okay, I ended up putting the broiler on high, and what I'm waiting on is for that cheese to brown just a tiny little bit. And then I'll take it out. All right, I can't wait any longer. I don't think it's going to get brown, and I'm afraid I'm going to end up overcooking it. So, boy, oh boy, does that look good. Oh, I still got you on zoomed in. All right, I'll tell you what. Let this cool for a few minutes. Let the cheese quit bubbling. I'm going to get it on that plate, and we'll cut us a piece and see how it tastes. Well, that's what it looks like cut open. And my wife said she would eat a piece, so we'll get a couple of pieces cut up here and on the plates, and I'll let her give it a taste test.
It looks cheesy, eggy, and meaty.
And that would be exactly the ingredients I put in it.
Yeah. So what kind of meat? There's no Spam in this,
No
is it?
Spam, no Spam.
I can't do Spam. What is
It's
in
a
here?
little bit of sausage, a little bit of ham, and a half a hamburger patty. Hamburger patty. So.
It's very good.
Okay.
It is.
Let's give mine a try. Boy, it does look good.
Mm-hmm. Pat's eggs are very good.
Oh, yeah. That's a meal there, man. Well, I'm going to put a little hot sauce on it. That's all it needs. Okay, there you go. A meat lover's Swiss cheese frittata.